Once applications are installed, you can manage them directly from the platform. In this guide, you'll learn how to manage and control installed applications across your devices. We'll cover actions including start, stop, enable, disable, clear app cache and data, and uninstall for a single device, selected devices, or entire groups. Let's start with a single device. Go to the Devices table and click the row of the device you want to manage. This opens the device view. In the middle, you will see the Applications Management section. Here, you'll find all applications currently installed on the device. Open the three-dot menu next to any application. From here, you can start or stop the app, enable or disable it, clear its cache or data, and, if needed, uninstall it. Disabling an app makes it unavailable on the device while keeping it installed. Uninstall removes it completely. Clearing app cache and data is often a useful first step when troubleshooting application issues. Need to manage several applications at once? Open the device menu and select App Management. Select the desired action and click Remove Duplicates to remove duplicate entries from the application list. Then choose the applications you want to affect and apply. You can also manage applications across an entire device group. Open the three-dot menu of the relevant group and select App Management. Choose the action you'd like to perform, select Remove Duplicates, choose the relevant apps, and confirm. The selected action will be applied to all devices in the group. The same approach can be used for all managed devices by selecting the All group. You're now ready to manage installed applications across your devices. Continue exploring the platform with our additional tutorial videos.